Hi everyone, this is Ismail from Pelemon, and today we'll just be discussing the role of CRO and UI UX in SEO. SEO isn't just about keywords and links. Increasingly, user experience and conversion rate optimization play a crucial role in how well pages perform in search. Why? Because search engines now consider how users interact with your site. Pages that satisfy visitors are more likely to rank higher and attract repeat engagement. So take this for as an example. You are at a marketing complex, a mall, and you know a site has a shop has the most beautiful, you know, outdoor. The door looks beautiful, the sign there looks beautiful. The person standing outside the shop looks well dressed, looks polite, and has made a compelling case for you to enter the shop and check out what they have. But let's say you enter now and the products are not easily accessible. You know, it took you so much stress to find what you wanted. And then suddenly, when it was time to pay, there were issues. Maybe they only accept cash. Maybe they don't accept transfers or they don't accept credit cards. How likely are you to buy that product if you go through all of that stress in the shop? So that is the relationship between organic SEO and UI UX and also CRO. You know, a good a well optimized website for SEO will get you clicks and will get you traffic. But conversion depends on what is on your site. User experience affects SEO in multiple ways. For example, slow loading pages lead to higher bounce rates, which signals to search engines that users are not satisfied. Mobile responsiveness is another crucial factor. Google predominantly uses mobile first indexing. Other UX elements like clear navigation, readable text, and well structured content make it easier for both users and search engines to understand your page. By improving UX, you are not just helping visitors, you are sending positive signals to search engines that your content is valuable and usable. Conversion rate optimization or CRO is about guiding visitors to take desired actions: subscribing, purchasing, downloading, or signing up. When a page is optimized for conversions, users tend to stay longer and engage more. These engagement signals, such as dwell time and reduced bounce rates, are observed by search engines. When CRO is primarily focused on business goals, it indirectly supports SEO by creating happier and more engaged users, which can improve rankings over time. To maximize SEO with UI UX, consider the following. First, ensure your website is fast and mobile friendly. Pages should load quickly and display correctly on all devices. Next, structure content with clear headings and scannable text. Users and search engines can quickly understand the page. Maintain a logical flow that guides the visitor naturally through your content. Calls to action should feel like a part of the user journey, not just intrusive interruptions. Finally, use visual hierarchy like bold headings, bullet point, contrasting colors to guide attention to key elements. Together, these practices improve user satisfaction and SEO performance. Here are practical ways to combine CRO and SEO. A/B test headlines and call to action placements to see which versions keep users engaged longer. Add internal links to related content to improve crawlability and keep visitors on site. Use exit intent pop-ups carefully. They can capture leads without hurting UX. Show trust signals like testimonials, awards, security badges to boost confidence. Simplify forms to reduce friction and increase completion rates. Each of these improvements keep users engaged and positively reinforces SEO signals. After implementing CRO and UX improvements, it's essential to track performance, monitor bounce rates, dwell time, and pages per session. These give insight into user engagement. Measure conversion rates to see if visitors are taking desired actions. Mobile performance scores help you understand if your site is working well on different devices. Finally, Observe user engagement patterns through heat maps or session recordings to identify friction points. Data-driven changes help refine the experience, improving both conversions and search visibility. To summarize, SEO is no longer just about keywords and backlinks. User experience and conversion optimization directly impact how search engines perceive your pages. A site that loads quickly, is easy to navigate, and keeps users engaged signals value to search engines. At the same time, CRO ensures that visitors take meaningful actions once they arrive. By combining UX, CRO, and SEO strategies, you create a website that ranks well and converts visitors into customers. If you found this video to be helpful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.